Look, I know girls love Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when the goodness go missing, and shawty, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment, that's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no, no, no. You know how this shit should go. You got your fair share of admirers that call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I am not alone. But if you're alone, then say my name, say my name.
If no one is around you, say baby I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, baby, why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name, say my name, oh. Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, no one is around you, be honest. Women love chaotic or beyond it. Design a name to find the things you can't afford yet. Prefer good times over bad, and that's why you looking bad. Cause you swear you could have had the things you can't. I only do the things I do for you. Like any man, I'd act a fool and be used. But it ain't bad cause it's natural. We both trying to leave tandem, and in the end it don't matter. Like a bullet to the heart if it don't go any farther. If it doesn't kill, it'll only make you stronger. Without the fortune or the fame, prove this ain't a game. Baby, say my name, say my name.
Say my name, say my name. Cause those other men are practice. And this ain't no time for acting, and this ain't no time for games, and this ain't no time for uncertainty, and this ain't no time for locking your phone and not coming home and starting fish when I'm in the zone. This is why I've been saying no new friends, no, no, no. You know how this shit should go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now, forget how it felt when this shit moved slow. I come through in whips that make a young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me saying get money and flow for these cars. Where we learn these values, I do not know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that'll help me think of someone besides myself. I need someone I leave through the front door with, cause we don't wanna hide no more. Plus you're not shy no more. Neither of us wanna play the side no more. No, I'm not alone, even though nothing was the same. Let me get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name, say my name.
Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, baby, why the sudden change? Say my name.